know why I do it to myself. So today we're picking up 2 cars from the auction. I don't really know how today's video is going to go, because the 2 cars I bought, I kind of bought blind with them, so I don't really know what to expect. Well, I do know what to expect, because we've bought a little Fiesta. It's a diesel, so it's not ULEZ compliant, which is a bit of a problem for me where I live, but down at the yard I can sell it from the yard because that's out of the ULEZ zone. But the paintwork and the bodywork's a bit, we need to get it before we know exactly what we're going to do with that one, so that's fine. We've also bought a little Toyota Aygo, 130,000 miles, got it quite cheap, but it says that it doesn't run, so that's going to be interesting. I mean, not really a lot can go wrong with these cars in regards to the engine. It's only a little 1 litre, but we shall see. So I'm just on my way to the yard now. I'm going to pick up the truck, and then me and Jay, we're going to make our way over to the auction house in Enfield. But before we do that, actually, we've got to drop a car off. Now, the Touran, we've sold the Touran, so we're delivering that to St Albans on the way to Enfield. It's worked out perfectly, got a little delivery fee to deliver the car, so yeah, it's actually not going to be too bad of a day. I'm just a little bit anxious as to the state of these cars, but sometimes you've got to take a risk. Sometimes it doesn't pay off, and sometimes it does. That's all part and parcel of the game. I picked them up fairly cheap, so we'll get the Touran loaded up, ready to drop off on the way to Enfield. And yeah, let's see what we've actually bought. Okay, so here is the first car that we have picked up. It's a little Toyota Aygo 57 plate. It's a black edition. It's actually pretty clean for its age. It's a 5-door as well, so the one that I don't think I featured on the channel was a 3-door. I put a picture of the one that I had. Go. Got a little rip on the seat there, but not too worried about that. It's actually pretty clean inside. It's got stacks of paperwork there. I haven't been through it yet, but it's all looking good. Glove box. Let's start it up. It is on 130,000. So it does sound quite, it sounds like it's misfiring. We'll rev it up, and it has got an engine light on. Don't sound great, it sounds a bit tractory, but we paid 450 quid for this. So what we're going to do, I'll plug it in, see what fault codes come up, and yes, we'll take that from there. I'll show you the other one. The other one is a little bit worse for wear. So that's the Aygo that we picked up. We've covered that, but this is the second car that we picked up. It is a little more worse for wear. You drove it back, didn't you? Yeah. Drives alright though, doesn't it? Yeah, it drives normally. But the bodywork isn't great, so little bits like there, it's all like discoloured and stuff, cracked there. Just had a whack at some point. The fog light covers out, screwed in there. Something's happened there as well, up at the top. It's a titanium model, so 1.4 diesel. A bit worse for wear there as well. On the front bumper, it's a 10 plate. It's got 93,000, 89,000, something like that. The drop links, front roll bar, they are shot, so we've got some new ones in there. We're going to change them over. We're going to service it as well. It's got a different colour cover on it. This side's not so bad, mainly on the other side. Just pull that a little bit there. Have a look inside. It's actually got to clean up all right. It was full of stuff, wasn't it?
Terrible.
It's terrible. We have cleaned it out quite a bit. It's got a rip on the seat there. It's on 83,000. It's only got 83,000 on it. Yeah. So with this car, paid just under 600. Well, £650 to pay for the car. To be honest, I didn't really do my homework on it. It was a bit of an impulse buy. So we're not going to mess about with the bodywork. What we're going to do is do the drop links. We're going to give it a service, and then we're just going to stick out for £1,000. Sell it as it is, because there's a lot that needs doing, and yeah, it's just going to eat into the profit margin. So yeah, we're going to do the drop links, give it a service, and then that's it. We've got the logbook. Haven't got no service history with it. All tyres are all good. So like I said, yeah, we're going to sort the drop links out, put these new ones on, remove it off that side, and this side as well. Don't know where this one's gone. That's there. So yeah, I'll get them fitted. I'll give it a service. Now that's really all there is going to be done on that one. And then on this one, we've plugged it into the machine and it's misfiring on cylinder 1. So I think that could be either spark plug or coil pack. I don't think it's a big job. Missing the grille there. We'll get one of those. We'll get some new number plates because they're a bit messed up. But yeah, there'll probably be another video on these cars once they're all sorted. But I'll get that serviced, get a drop down, and then we'll come back in. We'll get it out. We'll have a better look around. But yeah, it drives spot on. No issues with how it drives. It drives really good. Engine's good in it. That's why I'm going to give it a service. So when we come to sell it, it's had a service, and that just goes in its favour a little bit. Oh, we have got it booked in for an MOT, so fingers crossed that is all good. So I'll get this done and then I'll pop back in and we'll have a better look around. Servicing the car now. Just changed the air filter. We've changed the oil filter as well, which is down in the pan there. Long overdue. We've drained the oil out from the sump plug. We are going to be changing the fuel filter as well, not on camera. So what we'll do now is jack it down and then fill it up. We've got the oil there. Fill that up and then we're all good. I've changed the anti-roll bar as well. Drop links there. Some of that. That's on both sides. So yeah, we can fill it up. Get it all up, sorted, and then we'll take it out into the sunlight and then do a little walk around. Okay, so we're all done now. The car's ready to have a quick clean. We did clean it, I'll put a picture in, but down here it gets quite mucky, so yeah, it's mechanically sound. Bodywork wise just lets it down, which is a shame because it's only on 83,000. Come around to the back. Yeah. We've given it a full service. We've changed the oil filter, fuel filter, air filter, and we have done the drop links. So mechanically wise, this car is spot on. It is such a real shame that the bodywork is in such bad condition, but someone will buy it, you know, just because mechanically it is sound. Now, if it wasn't mechanically sound and it was all rattling away or it needed too much work done, I would just break this for parts. Or maybe even put it back into the auctions. But I reckon I can get around £1,000 for this car, quick sale. And that will then mean that we make a little £300 profit. So as long as you're making profit along the way, that's all that matters. You know, ideally you want to be making a good profit on every car. But it's not always the way it works. So yeah, all cleaned up now, ready to be put up for sale. It'll suit someone perfectly for work, someone who works or in construction, or you know, just need to get to and from jobs, this will be something that will definitely serve them well. So yeah, now we've got to move on to the Toyota Aygo. That will be in the next video. We'll sort of see what's going on there. Like I said, misfiring on cylinder 1, so we'll look into that. It's got a lot of paperwork with that, so that's going to be quite interesting. I'll save that for the next video, and by then hopefully we'll have sold this. Now I can give you some figures. But yeah, so that's where we're at with this one. Quick little flip, all being well. So yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll be back with some more content. And I've got something really special. I'll give you a little sneak peek now. That's going to be coming to the channel very soon. That's all you're getting. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy, guys.